In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter. We will have to remove this box, and this is a snorkel. You don't have to remove it, but it's pretty simple to take that one off too. Using a flathead screwdriver, we can easily disconnect the snorkel from the air box. We'll have to disconnect the sensor for the air filter, and also we'll have to untie the screw around the air hose. So the tools you need to replace the engine air filter are simply a flathead screwdriver, this 11mm socket, and obviously an air filter. I ordered that through eBay. I will place the link in my video below. I'm also going to use this E10 swivel. It's just going to make it easier to unscrew these. Now use the flathead screwdriver to untie the screw which is on air hose. Now disconnect the air sensor. You can use a sharper object to help you disconnect it. Also using a flathead screwdriver you can disconnect the air box from the snorkel. Give it a little shake to the box and it will disconnect from all the wires and whatnot. Using the T20 screwdriver, I will untie the 6 screws. Remove the old engine air filter. Make sure you clean all the dust, everything. This is the old filter compared to the new filter. Match the shape of the air filter. There's only one way it's going to fit. Make sure to put some pressure on the corner so it's really airtight. Match the shape and tighten the screws. I did take this snorkel out because I was working on something else, but it's very simple to take it out and put it back on. Using that 11mm socket, tighten the screws. Plug the snorkel back in, it's very simple. Plug the air sensor back in, lastly, and tighten the screw around the air hose. And you're good to go. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit my channel, subscribe for more BMW related videos.